Handle the engine with care and be careful of your fingers and limbs. Shift the engine in small motions until matching the mounting holes perfectly. Insert the top mounting bolt with the washer and tighten the nut. Insert the front mounting bolt, fit the washer and tighten the nut. Insert the rear mounting bolt, fit the washer and tighten the nut. Connect the rave valve connector. Position the swinging arm spindle following the swinging arm reassembly procedure. Connect the following electrical connectors in the order. System grounding connectors, fix them with the screw. Neutral light switch. ECU ground. Pickup. Generator. Starter motor. Fit the front chain sprocket to the shaft together with the drive chain. Fit the circlip. Position the sprocket cover and secure it with the 2 screws. Connect the throttle cable to the mixer oil pump. Connect the electrical connector at the thermistor end. Fit the hose to the cylinder head cover and fix it with a new clip. Refit the spark plug and connect the cap correctly. Connect the clutch cable at the engine end. Install the battery and connect it to the system. Connect the oil tubes using a new clip. Position the gearbox link rod and tighten the screw. Install the exhaust system. Install the carburetor. Install the radiator.